how to use a discovered attack in chess. And let's look at this move right quick. In this position, we are the black pieces, and our opponent here has his knight on c3 attacking our knight on e4. This queen is on the 8th rank, and our opponent at this present moment is up in material. But what is the best move for black right now so that we can pretty much win this game immediately, especially after the move bishop to h3. After doing bishop to h3, if this queen captures this rook on a8, this queen checkmates on the g2 square. Realize that if white just does the move g3, then I get a free queen. So based off the computers, queen takes on e4 is the best defense for white. And then after d takes on e4, then they want white to do g3. And this is just completely losing all around. So yeah, this is how you use a discovered attack against your opponent.